Greatest contact? Cylon Raider, bearing 738, Karam 005.
Galactica Apollo.
Cylon
Raider, bearing 738, Karam 005.
Not a drill. Repeat.
Close with enemy and destroy. Acknowledge.
We're on to Galactica. Jump right in front of us. His mistake.
How many? Single Raider. Looks like a recon patrol. Apollo and Beehive already have them in their sight.
Where's the old man?
He's not aboard, sir.
Not aboard? Where the hell is he?
He left in a Raptor about an hour ago. No flight plan.
No flight plan.
That's it, Beehive. You set him up, I'll knock him down. I winged him! Looks like I got his weapon system. He jumped. Repeat, he jumped away before you could zero him out.
Damn it. Probably giving away our position to every Cylon base ship right now. Where the hell is the old man? Order the fleet to execute emergency jump procedures. Everyone rendezvous at the standby coordinates.
Contact. Single Raider, bearing 881, Karam 247.
Apollo Galactica. Cylon Raider detected at 881, Karam 24.
Wait, I see him! I see him! It's the same Raider.
What?
Yeah, it's the same Raider. I can see the damage from before. It's behaving erratically. He jumped away again.
Contact. Single Raider, same telltales. Looks like he's just flying around in circles.
Wounded bird can't fly home.
Galactica Apollo. We've got him on Dratus, but he's pretty far out there. It'll take us about 3 minutes to close to weapons range.
No. This is our perfect chance to get some intel. Order Apollo to close with the Raider, but do not engage. Put a Raptor in the air. As long as that thing's flopping around out there, tell them I want to suck in every electronic signal it makes.
Sir. Colonel Commander Adama's Raptor is requesting permission to enter the landing pattern.
Permission granted.
Stand down to condition 2.
Commander, permission granted.
Mr. Gaeta, you have the deck.
Permission to come aboard, sir.
Granted. Mind telling me where the hell you've been?
Colonel Tigh, allow me to present your wife.